Hello, welcome to Santa Rita Ranch. Today we are touring the Chesmar Matty floor plan. Now some highlights of this home, you're gonna love the living room. Farmhouse ceiling, 15-foot ceilings, custom wood throughout, and the bathroom has a beautiful tile work from floor to ceiling. When you go upstairs in this home, this house has a game room and a media room, which looks like a movie theater for your kids to watch movies every weekend. Now this is home tour number 2 in our custom playlist of all the model homes in Santa Rita Ranch. So make sure you check out the playlist for all the best homes in Santa Rita, and we'll see you soon. Come on inside. Welcome to the Matty by Chesmar. Now this house is 2,777 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms with a game room and a media room upstairs. One thing you'll notice when you walk in is the beautiful vaulted ceiling here, 25 feet. And right when you come in this house, immediately to your right is your first guest bathroom and guest bedroom. This guest bedroom right now for this model home is made into an office, but you can see what it would be like to have friends coming over and staying in this house while they're traveling. Your garage would be immediately to the left here, and you'll have a 2-car garage with water softener outlets and on-demand hot water heating system. Coming into the kitchen right here, Chesmar is known for their custom islands. This is a 10-foot quartz countertop. Beautiful custom island. In Chesmar Homes, all the appliances are included, all stainless steel here. And what I like about Chesmar in Texas is that they do a lot of extra touches to their construction. So the bones of this house have zip-tech paneling along the outside, which actually makes the house waterproof and insect-proof. D.R. Horton and Lennar and KB Homes do not do that. So when you buy a Chesmar home, you're getting a waterproof, insect-proof house from the outside in. Here we have our gas stove. Now this is a gourmet inset right here for your kitchen. 5-burner gas stove. Nice little accent here in the kitchen, opening up to your dining room right here. Most of your Chesmar homes will also have a covered patio as well. So you can hook up your own grill out here, nice outdoor seating, enjoy the outdoors in the summertime. Now this is the showcase of this home, is this amazing living room right here with a 15-foot farmhouse ceiling. Look at all the beautiful custom woodwork in here. And we have a nice LED fireplace. Now this is a Chesmar, signature. They do a lot of these fireplaces in their homes over 2,500 square feet. And this is an upgrade for the house if you choose to build custom. Really nice living room. So this Chesmar builder has a lot of inventory homes on the ground in Santa Rita Ranch. Let's show you what's on the ground right now, and then we'll tour the master bedroom and the rest of the house. Stay tuned. Here we are at Chesmar Homes. Now this is an inventory home on the ground priced at $566,000. It's 2,865 square feet, and you can buy this home right now, or you can build a home over here on one of these empty lots This home is northeast facing, tons of natural light. If you have any questions about the incentives right now, click that link tree below this video to schedule a no obligation consultation call with the Austin City Brothers. We'll walk you through the best price, the best value, and the best homes for you and your family. Let's go inside and take a look. So this is 4 full bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, beautiful hardwood floors throughout this house. Welcome back. Now let's go see the master bedroom. Come on. Hardwood floors in this home, a really nice accent and upgrade. Here's our master bedroom. You can see the extended ceiling right here is a really nice touch. Lots of natural light coming into the house. Now, if you want the most natural light in your home, we recommend east-facing, northeast-facing, north-facing homes have a lot of light coming in for that beautiful natural effect. Walking into the master bathroom, we have his and hers sinks. These are quartz countertops. Quartz is non-porous, high density, and the custom tile work in the shower. Really beautiful. Next, we have the his and hers master closet. You tell me, is that enough space for all your clothes? A really nice touch to the Maddie floor plan is the washroom right here connected to the master bathroom. So you can see your washer and dryer flow right from the master bedroom into the kitchen. Now let's go upstairs and check out the game room, meeting room, and the other 2 guest bedrooms. So your first guest bedroom is immediately to your right on the 2nd floor. So this is where your kiddos can stay in this floor plan. And this bedroom connects to a Jack and Jill style bathroom. So we have 2 sinks and a toilet in the middle for your kids to share and your guests right here to enjoy. Jack and Jill bathroom opens up to the game room. Lots of space up here to put like a couch, a television, maybe a little office space over here, maybe even a foosball table or something for your kids to play. So there's lots of flexibility and space up here in this game room. And then check out this media room. You're gonna love this. So this Maddie floor plan has its own media room. So there's room to seat like 8 people comfortably in this room for movie nights. Really, really good. Finally, we have the 4th bedroom upstairs right here. As I said before in the intro, this house has so many windows, so much natural light. What do you like about this home? Comment below and let us know what you love about the Maddie floor plan. Enjoy the rest of our home tours in Santa Rita Ranch. We are the Austin City Brothers, and we look forward to serving you soon. Greetings from the Austin City Brothers. Thank you for watching our latest video.
You may be wondering, what's it like to work with our team to help you in your home buying journey? Here, we're going to take you through the 7-step process that we have designed to help you succeed in finding the perfect home.
So let's dive in. Step 1 is the initial consultation. Before we start your home search, we take you through a Zoom call where we get to know each other. This is where we do a deep dive into your current situation, your desires, and your needs for your home and family. We want to nail down the top 4 to 5 criteria, and then through our geographic competence, help you find the right neighborhoods, the best schools, and lifestyle that matches all of your needs.
Next step is our buyer representation agreement. If we are a good fit, and we decide to work with each other, we will then send you a buyer's representation agreement to solidify our relationship for providing expert service to help you secure the right home.
Now, step 3 is the right financing. Now, listen very carefully here because you might be wondering about financing in your home buying journey. We have expert loan officers with decades of experience and an assortment of loan products, including jumbo loans from private hedge funds. A loan from a private bank can get your interest rate down a full 1% below the competition, saving you around $1,000 per month in your monthly mortgage and cutting out the middleman. So if you're looking for any type of loan product, especially a jumbo loan, reach out to us.
Next step is the home tours. This is where we're going to explore the best neighborhoods that match the lifestyle and the top 5 criteria we have discovered earlier in our initial consultation. This step is all about finding the perfect fit.
Step 5 is the contract and negotiation. Once we've found that perfect home for you, we get to work negotiating the best terms for you, backed by a thorough comparative market analysis. We don't want you to pay too much for your home. Our goal is to ensure you get the most value possible and that you don't overpay.
Step number 6 is inspections and final negotiations. After the contract is signed, it's time to send out an inspector. If there are any costly damages to the home that needs to be fixed before you move in, this is where we want to start the second round of negotiations to make sure that every term is right for you.
We are master negotiators and we love that part of the transaction. Now, step 7 is closing day. This is where you celebrate. We make the closing day as smooth as possible by staying on top of all the communications to ensure all the terms of the contract are met for you and your family.
In addition, we have expert moving services, utilities set up, and even a whole house water filtration system on top of Vastu enhancement if that is one of the services that you are looking for.
If you're interested in Vastu, check out the card right here in our video so you can learn more about Vastu enhancements of your home. We are here at the Austin City Brothers to make your move to Austin a breeze.
Thank you for watching this video. We're looking forward to work with you very soon.
Click that link below the video with our link tree to schedule your no obligation consultation call today.